What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today we are staying at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tampa, Florida. Guys, believe it or not, Peach Patch, this is my first time ever staying at Seminole Hard Rock Casino. As much as I gamble here, I've never thought to book a room because I live in Tampa. Like, I always thought that was a waste. However, I'm super duper excited to stay here today. This is my husband, Everyday with Wood. We are staying on the 14th floor in room 1449 in the East Tower. Right now, he's just trying to figure out how to get up in this joint. Ooh. All right, Peach Fresh. So I'm about to turn on some lights and give you guys a tour. Why is Spooky Daddy scared of heights? What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys what a standard room looks like at Seminole Hard Rock Casino in Tampa, Florida. My mom is babysitting for us, so my husband and I got the room all to ourselves. It's gonna be a good time. All right, Peach Patch. So this is our room. 21449. Okay, when you walk in, it has the safe and sound on here, so you know your room has been cleaned. Thank you, husband. And so when you first walk in, this is what you see. This is the layout. This is a standard king size room. It's a king size bed. You walk inside and you have a throne room. Got this bathroom, pretty picture on the wall. It slides closed, so that's really nice. Then you have double sinks. His and her sinks. What's up, Peach Patch? All right, Peach Patch. So this shower is so freaking big. Like, if you really want to have a good time, you can fit about 6 people up in here comfortably. It's really big. You can't turn with your arms out, but it's huge. It has a bench seat in here, so if you want to scroll them crusty dogs, you can. This is really nice, babe. We ain't had no bench seat in a long time. That's something Daddy want when we buy our house. He want to make sure we have a bench seat. All right, so we want to come in here. You can close this too, y'all. Close this door. Just slide it. Close. Now you got your privacy. All right, so then we come over here. Is this one of those things where it's adjacent, where it can connect, or is it a closet? Well, that's scaring me. I be thinking everybody mass murderers. But you got over here.
Yeah, because I can head on.
Over here you have your closet, so you can hang up your little clothes or whatever. Your iron. Your safe. You definitely want to have a safe. Some drawers. You got an iron board in there, a robe. You probably charge your arm and your leg to put on the robe, but I don't know if it's complimentary use. Over here, you have a little coffee nook. You got your coffee maker. How much this stuff costs? What's the prices? Because Seminole Hard Rock, I know your girl is cheap, 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 cheap. What are the prices? This the refrigerator. Okay, you got your little refrigerator mini. What y'all say, mini bar? Oh, ain't nothing up in there. So that's for you to put your own little drinks and food. But what a microwave? What a microwave? All right, over here you got a big old king bed. I heard that they got some really good pillows and sheets. We've never stayed here before, so we're excited to see how we like this. You have a bench seat or ottoman at the bottom of the bed, so you put shoes on and whatnot. Then over here you have your little couch, table. This tell you about their breakfast and stuff. If you want to get some room service, let's see if it's costing a lot of money or not. Okay, it's not bad. A parfait is $10. Biscuits and gravy, $18. Build your own omelet, $22. I don't think these prices are bad considering I eat at the restaurants here all the time, and so it's like restaurant prices. So if you just want to stay in bed with your boo, what's the hours? You want to stay in? Ooh, they 24 hours, babe. So they said they serve you 24 hours. They got Belgian waffles. It's like the same prices It's downstairs at Rise. I'm pretty sure Rise is probably the one who making this. They got a banana split cheese. Ooh, I gotta try that. A banana split cheesecake for only $10. So I like this. It's really cute. I'm super excited to be staying here with my husband by myself. How you open these blinds? Y'all know your girl's wretched. Babe, are you paying attention to what you're recording? All right, so we're gonna slide these back. How you put the blinds back? Somebody tell me. They got a stick for this side, but
That got to probably motorized or something. You heard
I
me?
don't think we need to go back.
Oh,
From down here. Just ratchet and ghetto. And I know I'm a big block. Y'all know I'm a whole big block party. Judging me. And plus I just had a baby. So this is our view. Daddy said this is scary to him. Okay? I might snap and just push him out the window. He's scared. But over here.
You would have seen Rod Wave tomorrow.
Oh my God, you're right. So Rod Wave's concert is tomorrow. I said I can't go because I don't got no babysitter. But maybe my mama be nice and babysit twice. But that's the Florida Amphitheater over there. Come close, babe. Peach Patch, my husband is terrified of heights. He said he's not getting up and going over here. But over here you have the Florida Amphitheater where Rod Wave will be performing at tomorrow. And then right here, this is I-275, babe? Or I-4? I-4. So that's the interstate that takes you to Orlando, to Riverview. You can go to Naples. It's like a connector interstate. It looks so pretty from up here. Then we have the parking lot. I believe that's the 6th floor of the parking lot. So that's that view. Back there we got Wexford Apartments, which is some low-income housing. This is a nice view though. Florida State Fairgrounds is where the amphitheater is. It's now the Mid-Florida Amphitheater. They let different people buy the name every so often. Every couple years, somebody else can buy the name to the theater. But basically, that's what that is. Florida Amphitheater, Mid-Florida Amphitheater, whatever. That is basically it. I really like the room. Like I said, I'm super duper excited to spend time with my husband without our kids. Oh, we didn't show the TV. Over here is the TV. It's showing dining options right now. That's our kids. Our kids already calling us. Take a shot every time your girls say super excited. Over here, they got some cups, an ice bucket, more drawers to keep your stuff in. So Peach Patch, I've been running around all day. I'm about to go jump in the shower so I can get ready. They're having a poolside event for all of the social media gambler vloggers. So I'm gonna go meet some folks and get, acquainted. They're gonna do some prizes and things like that. Kids calling again. And then what's wrong? They probably calling on accident, but who knows? But anyways, I'm about to shower and change so we can go down by the pool. I'm not gonna lie, this is a good feeling. It feels really, really good to be here and have this opportunity, even though our kids keep calling us.
I'm probably not no sitting. Hello?
Put on Wi-Fi, babe. Our kids just keep calling back to back, and we ain't been gone 30 minutes.
Hello.
But I remember when I wasn't even allowed to record in this facility, and now I'm getting invited to invitational only events. So I am super duper excited. I can't wait to meet the other bigger vloggers and learn from them. All right, Peach Patch, I will be back. I don't know what I'm wearing yet. I bought a bunch of different little outfits from City Trends. So yeah, I'll show y'all what I choose. All right, Peach Patch, so Daddy and I are about to go to the pool. I'm super excited. I got on high heel shoes for the first time in like, how many years, baby? About 4 or 5. I kind of feel like I could walk in like I can handle it, but another part of me like, oh no, I hope I don't fall, So we hope that your girl don't fall. I don't got no waist trainer. I'm sucking my stomach. That's how you do it.
Like you like, hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K, E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K, EY Bay. Hit her like he like it, send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like he like. For your girl, go. Fly with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go. Like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like he like. Hit her like for your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.